Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to delete messages on Pinterest. In this video, I'll show you on how you can manage your messages on Pinterest. First, make sure the Pinterest app is installed and that you're logged into your account. To view your chat, tap the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. You'll see all your conversations here. Unlike some apps, Pinterest doesn't actually allow you to delete messages or entire conversations. If you tap and hold on a message, you can copy, reply, or save it, but there's no delete option. However, you can hide a conversation. To do this, open the chat, tap the three dots in the top right corner, and select Hide Conversation. This removes it from your inbox, though it isn't permanently deleted. If you want to chat back later, just send a new message to that contact and a conversation will reappear. This is the simplest way to manage your Pinterest messages efficiently. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.